how to use finance module filters. In this video, we're going to explore the various filter tools and options available in the finance module. These filters are designed to help you find exactly what you need. Let's begin by navigating to the finance module. At the top of the main processing page, you'll see a bar with 3 different filter icons, one for the registrations column, one for invoices and credit memos, and one for the payments and refunds or credits. Let's take a closer look at each option. Click into the registrations filter. The first option will display all registrations that have already been billed for the applicable period. The second will show those registrations that have not yet been billed. Additionally, you can filter by custom billings, like one-off bills that are not linked to a child's normal registration billing. You can also filter the registration column for all children based on a specific rate, like the toddler full-time rate. Similarly, you can filter to see registrations and their connected billings for specific programs like infant program or by registration status. To clear all filters, simply click Clear All. Now, let's move on to the Invoices and Credit Memos column filter. This filter offers a variety of options. To search for a specific sponsor, type their name, whether it's a parent or third-party sponsor, then click to select. Multi-selection is also possible. To view only personal sponsors, select the All Personal Sponsors option. If you want to see all sponsors, both third-party and personal, with available credits linked to an invoice, check the With Available Credits box. You can also filter by invoice type. Select from regular invoices or zero-rated invoices for those totaling 0. There's a filter for recovery invoices, useful when payments fail, leading to charges. This filter quickly identifies all recovery invoices. You can filter for invoices with auto payment, where families or sponsors are set up for automatic payments. Also available are filters for credit memos. Payment status refers to whether invoices or credit memos have payments, refunds, or credits attached. It's particularly helpful for identifying unpaid invoices for the period. Filter by selecting No Payment Attached, or search for specific invoices by their reference numbers found at the bottom of each invoice. Lastly, you can filter by invoice amounts. The final filter is for the Payments column. You can filter based on payment status, such as settled or deposited. Refer to our guide for definitions. Payment method filters are also available. Additionally, you can filter by payment reference number found at the bottom left of a payment or by a payment amount range. For instance, if you're looking for payments between $100 and $150, enter this range. To clear all filters, press Clear All. To maintain current filters, simply click outside the box. When a filter is applied, it turns green. A filter not in use will appear gray like this without a green indicator. For now, let's clear these filters. After selecting your filters, they won't take effect until you click Apply in the main section. Only then will the relevant billings and payments appear. Next, let's discuss these options. First, select the applicable date, whether for the current month or a specific range. Now, decide how to apply the date, by the billing period or by when payment was received. The next option is whether to display a full billing breakdown in the Invoice Credit Memo column or only those for which invoice credit filters have been applied. Usually, a full breakdown is preferred, but not always. It depends on the situation. For example, if filtering under invoices and credit memos for third-party sponsors, like the Alberta Affordability Grant, apply that filter. Upon clicking Apply, you'll see all billings with invoices for the chosen third-party sponsor. With a full breakdown, you'll also see other related invoices. If you prefer not to see other invoices, select Show Filtered Items Only. Click Apply. Now, only the invoices attached to that billing for the specific sponsor will be visible. This concludes our guide on using filters. These tools allow you to delve deeply into the finance module's data.